Amazing World of Birds, a learning adventure for kids. Welcome to the amazing world of birds. Today, we're going on a journey to explore some of the most fascinating birds on our planet. And that concludes our adventure into the amazing world of birds. Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and each one has its own unique qualities. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.
Let us not forget the wise owls. With their big, round eyes, these birds are excellent nighttime hunters.
Now, let us meet the curious ostriches. They are the largest and heaviest birds in the world. Even though they can't fly, they can run really fast. Say hello to the colorful parrots. These birds are known for their beautiful feathers and their ability to mimic human speech. Now, let us admire the graceful hummingbirds. These tiny birds have wings that beat so fast, they can hover in one place and even fly backward. Meet the clever crows. These birds are incredibly smart and can solve puzzles to get their food. They're known for using tools to help them achieve their goals. Say hello to the tropical toucans. These birds have vibrant beaks and are excellent fruit eaters. Their beaks help them reach fruits high up in the trees. Next up, we have the playful penguins. These birds may not fly, but they're amazing swimmers. They spend most of their lives in the chilly waters of the Antarctic. Our adventure begins with the mighty eagles. Did you know that eagles have incredible vision? They can spot their prey from high up in the sky. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.